Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Trust Wallet account. So it's pretty easy, and before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Let's start. The first thing is to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your device if you haven't already. I'm going to put a download link in the description for both iOS and Android devices. After you install the app, open it, and you want to click on Create New Wallet. Now you can read the privacy policy and terms of service by clicking here, and after that check this little box to agree with the terms of service and privacy policy and click Continue. Now you want to create a passcode for the app. And confirm the passcode. Now you need to check these three options. You want to read them carefully, and click on Continue. Now this step is very important. You can see 12 secret phrases here, and you need to copy them or write them down in the same order that you see them here. These secret phrases give access to your wallet, so don't share them with anyone. It's like sharing a password with another person. So write them down in the exact same order as you see them here and click on Continue. Now we need to verify the secret phrases by entering them in the exact order. Click on Continue, and that's it. We've successfully created our Trust Wallet. Now you can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB coins and much more. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.